After giving returns of more than 15x in the last 3 months, Cardano has been moving sideways for the past month or so. But there is a certain pattern that is getting formed in the Cardano chart, which indicates that we might have a breakout very soon. So stay tuned in to today's video to find out what is that pattern and what is our price predictions and what is the timeline that we have.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you on this video on Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all your cryptocurrency related technical analysis and news. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, leave a like and also share your comments. In today's video, we are going to see what are the price predictions for Cardano and what are some of the patterns that are getting formed. So let's jump in. So as we are speaking, Cardano is trading at around $1.21. Now that in itself is another 10x from where it was in November. So that's like 4 months back, right? 4-5 months back. So it's already given this much returns, right? But we are expecting that Cardano would be giving much higher returns. With that being said, let's jump onto the Cardano chart. So we are on the Cardano daily chart. Before showing you anything else on the chart, just notice the structure that is getting formed on the Cardano charts, right? High in November, higher high in January 6th, another higher high January 17th, another higher high on 10th of February, another higher high on 20th February, another higher high on 27th February, and another higher high on 17th of March, right? So this structure in itself is very, very bullish, right? We have been making continuously higher highs. And not only that, the lows that we have been making are also higher lows. So that's in itself is very, very bullish, right? But there's another pattern that is getting formed, which we noticed. So just quickly wanted to get your views on that as well. So here we are forming actually an ascending triangle, right? So we are forming an ascending triangle. Here you can see the higher lows, and this we can consider as our resistance level. Okay, this would be our resistance level. So with that being said, we can clearly see that we made a low, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So we have been following this particular trend line, right? So if we just extend this line, okay, so we just extended this line and we joined with the base that is there or the resistance level. Now the price range is currently testing the 21-day EMA. Remember, this is not the bull market support band. This is we are on the daily chart. The bull market support band is there on the weekly chart, right? So this is the 21 EMA, which again is a major support, for the prices. We had broken down below for very, very handful number of days. Okay, then we quickly jump right above the 20 SMA as well. So currently the 20 SMA is at around $1.18 and the 21 EMA is at $1.17, and currently we're trading at $1.21. So we are just above the 20-day simple moving average, right? With that being said, we have been getting a resistance on this level, right? And we have been following this uptrend. Now with that being said, what is our price target and where this could break out is the question. Generally, this is an ascending triangle, right? So generally what happens is ascending triangles break out to the upside, right? That's the general idea across all charts. Let it be cryptocurrencies, let it be stocks, forex, anything of that matter. Ascending triangles generally break to the upside, but there's no guarantee. There's no guarantee in trading, right? It could very well turn out and break down to the downside as well, right? Now if it breaks to the upside, when that could be? So the maximum date that we are seeing currently is at around 19th or 20th of April when this could happen. That would be the deadline for this to either break to the upside or break to the downside, right? We'll cover both the scenarios where we can head to, right? So if it breaks to the upside, what could be our target? Let's first measure that. So from here, let's measure the height of the triangle. That's how we get our targeted price. Let's put it right over here. And our targeted price, if we break to the upside, would be $2.06, right? So that would be another like a great return, right? Now, with that being said, that is the most positive thing that could happen, right? And this is not the target for the complete bull cycle. The complete bull cycle target I'll share with you, by the end of this video as well. But this would be for this target $2.06 would be for this particular pattern that is getting formed if it breaks to the upside. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, right? This is my personal opinion, so please do your own research before investing. This is only for education purpose. The only reason we have started this community is to educate more and more people and get emotions out of their trading. That's when you gain, right? That's when you make profits. It could be cryptocurrencies, could be stocks, could be anything, right? So with that being said, if we are going upwards, our target is $2.06. Now let's have the RSI. Okay, so on the RSI we are seeing some bearish patterns. Okay, I'll be like very honest with you. Why bearish patterns? Here we see on the price we made a new higher high. Previously it was at around this level, so we made a higher high. From here we moved on to this particular range. We made another higher high on the price, but on the RSI, as we were making higher highs on the RSI, we were actually making lower highs. Okay, right from it, this one was at around 90, then we came down 86, then slowly 79, and then we actually entered the zone below 80, right? So we came below the overbought zone, right? This is called a bearish divergence, right? This is called a bearish divergence. A bearish divergence means when the price chart is making higher highs, but your RSI is actually making lower highs. That's called a bearish divergence. Now, what happens generally is this leads to a certain extent a bear market, right? But with that being said, if you have to break this pattern, what we need to do is we need this particular pattern that is getting formed right now as we are speaking to close above the 67 level. Okay, if we close it around 68, we are good. We have broken the trend. That's great news, right? So with that being said, now let's jump onto the weekly charts of Cardano. But before that, if you like to read more about cryptocurrencies, please visit our website cryptobullsclub.com, where we post articles regularly, and this is a very recent article that we posted about Uniswap. Also, we are there on Instagram as well, so do follow us on instagram.com/cryptobullsclub. We generally post very interesting images over there, right? Also, we are there on Facebook. So Facebook, we are there in the groups. You can find us as Crypto Bulls Club. Okay, so on Facebook we are there. On Twitter, you can actually find us at twitter.com/FinanceBharata. So Bharat Finance is our partners. So we have actually, you can find us on Finance Bharata. We tweet out of this handle generally, right? Now, also we have a Telegram channel, which I'll share a description, the link in the description, so you can join that as well. Now let's jump onto the weekly chart for Cardano, right? On the weekly, what we are seeing here is we are well clear of the bull market support band. The last time we tested it was in the week of 21st December. That was around Christmas time, right? From there till now, we have been clear of it. Now, what happens if we break this triangle to the downside? What could be our price target, right? Again, this is not financial advice. These are my opinions. Please do your own research. But the target, as far as I am concerned, would be somewhere around this bull market support band. We might come down and test the bull market support band again. Currently, as we are speaking, the bull market support band is from 66 cents to 76 cents, right? So we might see close to 50% correction. Okay, so let's always be prepared for that. Okay, but that will not mean that this bull cycle is over. No, that's not the case. It's actually a great thing if we come down and test these every now and again, right? And it's been quite some time, to be precise. It's been like, so we tested it here, and it's been close to 105 days since we last tested it, right? So it's actually, we have to, at some stage we'll come down and test this, that's for sure. Okay, now there is something else that I would like to share with you. That's the stochastic RSI on the weekly, which is very, very, very powerful. Okay, so the stochastic RSI is also indicating downwards, right? So what does that mean is the momentum for Cardano is currently down, but if we break this trend to the upside, this will change very, very quickly. Okay, this will change very, very quickly, right? And we are currently on around 25 or 26 level, so there's not much of an gap left for us to cover, right? So yeah, we might come down for some time, then the only place that we'll be heading is just north. Okay, now why is this thing powerful? I have covered in other videos as well for other price predictions as well, but for Cardano this proves to be more true than ever, right? The last time we crossed the blue line, crossed the red line and went into this zone over 20 was on 9th of November. Okay, so let's measure from 9th November how much did we gain till this blue line entered this zone again. So it entered on 1st of March. So basically how much did we gain? We gained about 1200%, right? So that's how much powerful this stochastic RSI is. So you need to keep your eyes on this, right? And this was the time that, personally speaking, I bought Cardano at around these levels as well. So I followed this very strictly, right? I bought this at around 12 cents or so, right? So I bought it around 12 cents or so, and currently, to be honest with you guys, I sold some of my positions on Cardano at around $1.35 or so, but I'm holding still majority of my positions, right? That's a disclosure. Right, now what would be the long-term price target for Cardano? You would be seeing a lot of videos saying that Cardano would reach $20, $50, $100. Honestly, I don't think so that's gonna happen, right? Simple reason for that is the market cap. Okay, currently if we just go here, the market cap of Cardano is at around 38 billion, right? So for this to 100x, it has to go to 138. This has to go up by 100 times, right? Quite honestly, I don't think that's possible in this market cycle, at least. Again, this is my personal opinion. The best that I see Cardano going would be around $10 is the maximum, as far as I'm concerned. If I get $10 Cardano, I'll just sell. I'll be honest, I'll sell off my entire position. I don't care if it reaches $12, $15 from there, because I'd be on good profits, right? But should we be waiting for $10? Personally speaking, I will not, because of the simple reasons that when Cardano reaches, let's say $10, the people who will be buying right now, they will also be on around, let's say, an 8x, right? And the people, just think of the people who bought it at around these levels, right? At around, let's say the $12 cents, 13 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents range, right? They would be sitting on massive returns, right? So $10 is a very psychological number, right? and from my experience what I have seen is we tend to break below the, we generally don't hit that psychological number at one go. Okay, so for me, if you have to ask me, I would be selling off my Cardano somewhere at around $8 to $9, where I'd be pretty much happy. And that would be my suggestion to all the community members, to all the people that are viewing this video, that if you are into Cardano, you can look at booking some profits at around $8, $9, or even at $5 or so, because the one thing that we need to understand, that yes, new money would flow in, but that new money would be from inexperienced traders, right? The guys who are experienced at this would have bought it at around around 10 cents or so, or somewhere below 10 cents as well, right? Or around 8 cents, 9 cents, right? So they would be actually the ones who would be making the profits. They would want to sell off their Cardano to you. But what we do over here is, I'll keep updating this as well on the Telegram channel, that as of now, if you have to ask me today, I will surely be targeting around somewhere between $8 to $9 would be the target for me. Again, this is my personal opinion. This is not financial advice, right? Please do your own research before investing. But these are some of the things. So as of now, what are some of the things that we need to keep our eyes on? Number one is this triangle. So you can draw this on your charts, right? You can draw this on your charts. This is the triangle. Number two is the RSI. This is on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, what we want is basically the stochastic RSI. That is number one. What would be if we break below, then what could be another buying target for us? Another buying target would be the bull market support band between 66 to 76 cents. Okay, that would be another great buying opportunity. Okay, because we would have corrected close to 50% from the top. So we made a top of around $1.50. From there we would be at around a 50% correction, which is very healthy, and a 50% correction is also due for Cardano for some time as well, right? So, and incidentally, that 50% correction is at around this bull market support band, which is another great news, right? So stay tuned to our our channel. We'll be posting more such updates on Cardano and other cryptocurrencies as well. Also, we share our opinions across Telegram as well. So do join the Telegram channel and also join our Facebook community. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining in. Stay happy, stay blessed, and share this video with at least one person in your network, so they are also able to gain some knowledge out of the videos. Thank you so much.